Welcome to Invent ERP, your growth keystone. In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through how to create and use an automated workflow in the system. Let's get started. From the home page, navigate to the main menu. Head to the Sales or Purchases modules. Then go to Configuration in either modules. And select Auto Workflow. This will take you to the Auto Workflow page, where you can view all the default workflows already available in the system. Let's go ahead and create a custom workflow that fits your business needs. Start by entering a name for your workflow. Then, simply check the boxes for the actions you want the system to automate. We will create a workflow that covers everything from confirming the sales order to register the payment. Once everything looks good, click Create. Now, let's put our workflow to the test. From the quick links, click New Order under Sales. Start adding the details for your sales order. And don't forget to assign the workflow you've just created. Add your items. Then click Create. From your draft order, click Auto Workflow. Instantly, your workflow will be executed. The system will automatically confirm the order, create the delivery and invoice, and even mark the invoice as paid. The same workflow logic can also be applied to purchase orders, so you can automatically create and validate a vendor bill when processing a purchase. And that's it, you've successfully created and applied an automated workflow in Invent ERP. Thanks for watching.